In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create and share an Amazon wish list. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. And if you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But a wish list is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or really any special occasion, and it lets you add items that you want and it lets you easily share them with friends or family. First things first, go over to either Amazon.com or into the Amazon app and just sign into your account. And once you are signed in, essentially go ahead and hit these little three lines down at the bottom, or if you're on the app, hover over accounts and list, and essentially go ahead and select list just like so. From here, what you're going to want to do is actually just scroll over and specifically either like create a new list, for example, like you could hit this plus icon and then list it, something like Christmas list, for example. And essentially, after you go ahead and do this, go ahead and select create list. But on top of that, you can also select create registry or gift list as well. It's kind of up to you in this one. I'm going to choose gift list for this and then select the occasion as a holiday and then put my name on here and then hit continue. Go ahead and set the date on here. For example, we'll do Christmas and then select your address as well. And after doing so, go ahead and either make this public or shared, and also take on this option that says show what's been purchased. From here, just go through here and just add whatever you like. So for example, I could go ahead and search specifically for some Call of Duty coasters, I guess, for example. I guess we'll use these Xbox ones. Essentially, select it, and then once you find whatever you want to go ahead and add, just go ahead and choose add to list and select your list on here. You could also choose add to registry and gifting and then put it on your specific one if you chose to do that option. And whenever you are done, hit view that list and you're going to see it in here. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But you could share this just by selecting see more details and then hitting this share icon up at the very top and sending it to whoever you would like. Before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day as well. Peace.